Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have a very quick part 1 of Amazon haul. So I just ordered more of these storage containers. This is the code thingy, I think, for it. And there's 5 total. So I've been using these for all my nail charms, and I ordered more of these. The strawberry red mix nail charms, there's 300 of each. So there's that. So there are some butterflies, the strawberries, some bows, different types of bows, more flowers. I mainly got it for these clear charms, the bows, the little hearts. I don't think that was in the other set, so that's new. I got it for these two. This is the other side. Oh, it has rabbits. It has like the red ones. Little gold hearts, pearl hearts. Oh, it has these roses. So that is it for part 1. I will be showing in the end once this is all organized in the other container that I have. So thanks for watching. Bye.